So, you're looking for the apple on a triple Betty barn, a real beaut, plus some nice lettuce, room for an ODR.
110%.
Gotcha.
You think I need to shoot harder off the pass?
I think you need to go easier on that garage. Maybe shoot the sellers an offer instead.
If it's a boy, I like Crispin. But we trust your judgment. What do you think?
Yeah, I think let's lock in a better offer than lock in a name.
Make a sound when you come around. Only 'cause I need you now. Only 'cause I need you now. Make it loud, what you talk about. Only 'cause I need you now. Only 'cause I need you now.
McDangles! Offers first, slappers second.
You got it, coach.
Love you, buddy.